When you discover Oracle Java embedded in your third-party apps, a lot of questions come up fast, especially about licensing. Is it covered by your vendor? Are you responsible? What happens during an audit? Let's break down the real story behind Oracle Java embedded license models and what you need to know to stay compliant and avoid costly surprises. You might not realize it, but Java in third-party apps is everywhere. From ERP systems and CRM platforms to BI tools and middleware, vendors often package Oracle Java inside their software. That's what we call embedded Java. But just because it's there doesn't mean you're off the hook. And no, seeing Java included doesn't automatically mean you're compliant. Here's the truth. Licensing responsibility depends heavily on how your vendor negotiated with Oracle, and whether they're using an ISV Java licensing model, an Oracle Java OEM license, or an application-specific Java license. Let's look at the two main models. With ISV licensing, your software vendor might embed Java through an Oracle OEM or an embedded license. That often limits your usage strictly to just their application. With OEM licensing, it's usually hardware vendors bundling Java into their appliances or servers. Same deal. Usage is locked into a defined purpose. If your vendor includes Java and has a proper license, great. But you can't use that Java for anything else like your own apps or other systems. That's a compliance risk. If your vendor doesn't include Java licensing, guess what? It's your job to get it. You need to secure proper Oracle Java licenses yourself or face the consequences during an audit. Oracle auditors won't just check your vendor's application. They'll review every Java instance across your environment, so even a small oversight could mean major compliance gaps. Now here's where most organizations run into trouble. Trusting vendor claims without verification. You should always ask your vendor for written documentation of their Java license, what it covers and what it doesn't. Don't assume. Don't wait for an audit to find out. Understand how Schedule A and Schedule B programs work. Schedule A may cover Java use inside some Oracle and third-party apps. Schedule B includes limited use cases, like testing or educational use. If your software updates, check again. A new Java version or patch might introduce new licensing requirements. And if your vendor ever loses their Oracle license or goes out of business, you could suddenly be responsible for everything. That's why your contracts need to include vendor liability and indemnification clauses related to Java. Some organizations now reduce their Oracle exposure by moving to alternatives like OpenJDK, Amazon Corretto, or Red Hat's builds, especially when vendors support migration. Managing Oracle Java embedded license risks takes more than just awareness. You need a proactive plan. That includes vendor verification, inventory of every Java deployment, understanding license scope, and ongoing monitoring. Because when it comes to Java in third-party apps, you don't want to be caught assuming someone else is paying, or that your use is automatically covered. If you're unsure about your ISV agreements, need help interpreting an Oracle Java OEM license, or want to explore options like migrating to OpenJDK, we're here to help. Schedule your complimentary 1-hour consultation with Redwood Compliance today, and let's map out your Java licensing compliance strategy. Whether you're dealing with embedded Java or custom deployments, your compliance plan starts with clarity. We'll help you get there.